You start a project because you love the craft. You want to write clean code, build physical products, or design something tangible. But eventually, you hit the marketing wall. The relentless demand to produce digital content yanks you right out of that flow state and back into the noise. You spend hours chasing algorithms, tracking hashtags, and managing social calendars just to maintain your business's visibility. The result is a cycle where creators spend more time performing for software than perfecting the actual work they love. Early generative AI tools offered a shortcut, but it quickly introduced a new tedious chore: prompt engineering. Instead of creating, you were stuck typing endless paragraphs to make it sound like you, and the outputs were usually the same: generic, off-brand results that missed your true voice entirely. VoxVivid 4.0.7 is a rejection of this grind. It operates on a single rule: the software must adapt to your voice, not the reverse. The software now carries the weight of the algorithm, leaving the creative direction to you. The system replaces chaotic prompting with a logical three-step architecture: extract, create, and automate. It starts by removing the text box. To extract your identity, you simply drop your brand's website link into the Mirror Identity Suite. Behind the scenes, the Vivid SLM, a proprietary model optimized for privacy and speed, scans that URL. It sequences your exact tone, aesthetic, and visual DNA without relying on public AI models. Once locked, the Chameleon engine takes over. The entire platform reacts, shifting its colors, surfaces, and typography to match your extracted palette. By mirroring your existing site, the engine builds a foundation of brand-specific rules before a single asset is ever generated. That brings us to step 2, create. This happens inside the VibeAche system, a professional-grade production environment built for high-fidelity output. If you upload raw footage from your phone, the system applies cinema polish, automatically removing noise, sharpening the details, and reformatting for social masteries. It then sidechains that footage with brand-matched audio and voiceover, ensuring the narration is always professional and clear. To ensure this content never feels robotic, the engine uses prompt salt injection. Every single generation receives a unique cryptographic seed. This mathematical variance guarantees that no two posts are ever identical, eliminating the repetitive Groundhog Day outputs common to older AI. You get strict adherence to your brand guidelines alongside total creative uniqueness, delivering high-fidelity output without the manual editing grind. The final step is automate, managed by an autonomous producer called Pilot. Working entirely in the background, Pilot monitors the internet through Pulse Intel. When it detects a spike in search trends relevant to your niche, it instantly generates a campaign to capture that momentum. But it doesn't post blindly. The system sends a secure review link straight to your phone, allowing you to deploy or reject a campaign with a single tap. The software handles the heavy lifting of trend hunting, writing, and scheduling. You simply act as the final checkpoint. This workflow keeps the creator in a state of high-level oversight, reviewing finished work rather than drafting it from scratch. Instead of wrestling with prompts, you're setting high-level mission goals and letting the DNA handle the tactical execution. This workflow connects you to a broader ecosystem of creators through the Vivid Pass, a referral engine built directly into the dashboard. As you advocate for the platform, you unlock dynamic tier scaling, earning rewards and building a network of like-minded visionaries. VoxVivid acts as a secure command center for builders who have successfully insulated their craft from the noise of the internet, which means you can return to the workshop, the studio, or the code editor in absolute peace, completely untethered from your digital marketing responsibilities. Your physical stillness happens while your digital presence is autonomously growing and converting in the background. The system operates as an extension of your own identity. VoxVivid handles the noise so you can keep the vision.